Hey YouTube, this is Chris again with another one of Tim and Chris's how-to videos. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to password protect a file or folder. Many reasons why someone would want to do that. Maybe you have some user IDs and passwords you want to protect, or maybe some financials, but whatever your reasons are, I'm going to show you how to password protect a file or folder right now. Now I'm going to be using Winrar. If you don't have Winrar, I'm going to show you right now step by step how to get it. It's really quick, really simple. If you do already have WinRAR and you want to get right to the tutorial, I will put a timestamp for you to advance to uh, both into the description and here in the video. But for you folks who do not have WinRAR and would like to get WinRAR, I will show you how to get that right now. So let's go to our file browser, whatever you use. I use Google Chrome. And in the address bar, we're going to type in download.com. Once in download.com, go to the search bar and type in Winrar, W-I-N-R-A-R. And you have different modes here. Just pick the first one that says Winrar and scroll down until you see these little icons right here. And you have Winrar for 32-bit or 64-bit. If you don't know which operating system that you have, we have a video for that to determine which one you have, and I'll put that in the description as well. For me, I know I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to download that, and we'll see it download down here in a second. It's a really fast download, and it's done. And go ahead and install. It's a fast install. And I always leave all this default. Just however they have it, I have it just like that, and I click OK. And I click done. And this is just telling you, this is just what pops up first. Okay, so now that we have WinRAR, what we're going to do is we're going to password this folder. So for those of you who advance this, we're going to actually start the tutorial now on how to password a file or folder. So we're going to put these in the folder for now. We're going to open the folder, and of course we can open both of these here, and I'm not going to open them both just for time's sake. But we're going to go ahead and password the entire folder right now, meaning that you can't even open the folder without a password. So what we're going to do is right click on the folder and go to Add Archive. Now once in Add Archive, you want to go to Advanced. You want to set password. You want to go to General and set password. Now if you go to Encrypt File Names, this is going to make you enter a password just by clicking on the folder. If it's not checked, then you can see what files are in the folder, but you can't actually open the files that are in the folder. So let's just, I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to encrypt files, and the password we're just going to use 123, and we're going to click OK, and OK, and it'll make a file like this. So now that we've encrypted it, when I double click on this folder to open it, it automatically asks me for a password. Now let me show you the other way. What happens if you don't encrypt it? We will add to archive. We'll make 2 of these. Actually, we'll just rename this real quick so we can make another one. Just go important 1. And we'll add to archive under the general tab, set password. Now we're not going to check this, and we're just going to put the password 123 and 123. Click OK and OK. And here is the second one. Now, if you notice in the first one we did, if we open it, it automatically asks you for a password. You can't even see what's behind that. With this one, you can see what's behind it. You can even open it, and you can see the file names. But it's when you try to open the actual files that it asks you for a password. So that's the difference with when you go to archive and set password. That's the difference between encrypting file names or not encrypting file names. When you check it, you can't even see what's in the folder. When you uncheck it, you can see the files, you just can't open the files. So again, this one, the first one is encrypted. We check the encrypted, and you click on it. You can't even get past it. You have to enter your password. So 123 and OK. Now you can get into everything that you need, and you can get in there, and you can get into this one, no problem. Unchecking or not having the encrypted one checked, open it. It lets you see the files, but once you try to open the file, it won't let you view it until you do your password. And now you can view that file. And it's the same with all of them if you have it. So that's one way to do it. Now the other thing is, let's rename this again. And we'll just rename it to. If you just want to password only, see this is not to be passworded in login information. I don't know why someone will want to name a file login information, but if you just want to password this only, go File, Add to Archive, Set Password, and we'll go 123, and OK. And it's going to make a, oops, and it's going to make another file, another Winrar folder here. So now you can, this one you can still open. This one we're going to delete. This one is password protected. So we'll go ahead and delete this one here. Alright, so now under important 2, somebody can come and open this folder, and they can open this one no problem. But when they open this one and they say, hey, this person's got login information, maybe that's something that I'd be interested in, they go to click on it, it's passworded, and you cannot get in there unless you go 123 and put your password, and now you can open the file. So now you can have your encrypted where it locks the entire folder, or you can have it to where it just locks the files in the entire folder, or you can have it where it just locks certain folders that you want locked. So I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching another successful and simple how-to video. Have a great day and a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching.